on the radar for initial submissions, so thank you very much for what you've done.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, good point, Phil. Thanks. Yeah, proposed stopping of Legal Road, Avonhead and Grays Road. Whose committee did this go to? Anyone's? Did it go to a community board?
Middleton Waimara, yeah, isn't it?
It's, okay, proposed. So, would someone like to just quickly speak to this? And
just to clarify, I'm Barry, I'm the author of the report. We've retained Dave Rowland as a consultant to head the project. Dave's been involved with this project since early 2013, and he and Andrew have headed up the, council at the Environment Court, during the Environment Court process. That's just a bit of background to the project. Dave, do you want to speak to the report?
As far as the report's concerned, the stopping of Avonhead and Grays Road was actually carved up into two sections, Section 1 and Section 2. That was deliberate on the premise that there was likely to be objections, and yes, there were objections, and the council is aware of all those objections. They have been referred to the Environment Court in relation to the first part, which is what we call Section 2, and that's what is on the table for the council to consider today, which runs from Ron Guthrie Road down Avonhead Road in a westerly direction, and then back down Grays Road to George Ballieu, and that's the area that will be proposed. The Environment Court has agreed that we can stop, and then it would then be transferred away to the airport company. Section 1 is from Ron Guthrie through to Russley Road. That's a different outcome. We are waiting at the current time for an Environment Court decision. The indications are that the court will approve that, but like this section, it will be subject to a number of conditions from the court, but they can be quite easily sustained and recommended to the council when we get to that point. What's in front of the council at the current time is that the council approve effectively the sale of Section 2, the declaration under Section 349 of the Local Government Act, because there's an exchange proposal with the airport company whereby land which they own and has been formed and developed as road will then vest in the council as road as part of the total transaction in exchange for what we call Section 2. There's a cash difference which is mentioned in the report of just over $600,000 in the council's favour. The main thing which we have to be conscious of is that all the transactions are contemporaneously undertaken exactly the same time, because that's the way the court has issued the order. So it's entirely over to the council to make a final decision on this. I believe, in my view, it's straightforward. We've done the hard yards. It should have been a simple issue, but it got complicated with the objections.
right. Would someone like to move this? Raf, seconded Paul. I'll put that motion.
Just chat. I mean, obviously CCHL directors. This is a deal between the airport, so probably best that I'll just extend back.
You all own the airport.
Well, I mean, it's a
Fine.
well, it's fine. I'm just going
You
to.
okay with that, Ian?
Sorry.
Didn't want to put you on the spot. This is a
I've got nothing to do with this at all.
proposed
Sorry, it
stop.
was just a bit of
Proposed stopping of a road on the application of CIAL. Do CCHL directors have to step back from the decision?
sorry.
We sign off on the start of the 10.
You were too busy gossiping.
Exceptional feedback.
I think, given the nature of the matter, no, I don't think you need to do that.
Doesn't matter anyway.
Yeah.
You can if you want to, but
Yeah, I'm going to. I just wanted to say I'm going to.
Okay, Yanni's
that's
out, Vicky's out.
Oh, if they are. It's silly to, but...
Yeah, Jamie's